Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes, and welcome to the quick tour of the 2023 Sunseeker 2400T. Now, this is part of our MBS series, so it's built on the Sprinter 3500 chassis. This is a diesel chassis, and it's very fuel efficient. You're getting about 14 to 16 miles per gallon. Some of the nice features on this, we give you a beautiful fiberglass front cap. You have your Asdel substrates. You have the optional outside television on this floor plan, and also an option for a 4-point hydraulic leveling system, which everybody loves to make your interior nice and stable. If you want to come to the back of the motorhome here, we have another really key feature, which I love for safety and convenience, which is your blind spot monitoring system. Now, this is something that is standard at any NBS floor plan, and it gives you the ability to know when somebody is in your blind spot by giving you alerts up in the cab audibly and visually. Of course, it also has side view and backup cameras. Let's take a look at the inside of this 2400T and show you why it's such a great floor plan. Now, as you can see up here in the cab, a lot of technology here, which if you check out some of our videos on YouTube that I've done on our 2401B, I go really in depth talking about the features of the Mercedes chassis. For this video, we're really just going to look at the floor plan itself. One of the things I love that's standard with MBS is you get this really nice blackout shade. Now, we only have one of the 3 panels up, but you can really black out this entire area without having to cut off the cab from the rest of the motorhome, so it feels a lot bigger. We still give you a queen bunk mattress up top here. We give you a 12-volt television that is double hinged, so this thing can come out all the way and you can actually double hinge it so everybody can see it no matter where they're sitting. This comes standard with 12-volt theater seats. These are the most comfortable theater seats on the market. I love them. You can fall asleep in these. They do have a seat belt as well. So you have 4 seat belts on this coach. Moving into what I would call the living room / bedroom, you'll notice this is a Murphy bed. Now again, if you go to our YouTube channel, one of my colleagues, Paul, has done a phenomenal job showing how to convert this from sofa to bed. It's really, really easy. It's a manual system, and it's just phenomenal. But you've got 2 different spaces in this floor plan to enjoy. You've got your bedroom TV here, you've got the living area with another double hinge TV there, and my favorite part of this floor plan is the bathroom. A huge rear bath that spans the entire width of the back of the motorhome. This is the largest bathroom you're going to find on a Sprinter floor plan, but a great place to get ready if need be, if the bed is in the out position. I absolutely love this floor plan. For any more information, be sure to go to forestriverinc.com or check out our YouTube page or our Facebook page. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Sunseeker 2400T. Have a great day.